Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you my new doll, Paola Reina doll. She has so beautiful dress with flowers. Here is embroidery and here is flowers, pants with flowers. You can wear with pants or without, shoes, and this bezel. I want to put this doll in a box for saving, but before she will wear new outfit, I made new tutorial, new patterns, and I also want to show you, maybe you will be interested in it. This so adorable flowers. I so much like to make different bezels from like these flowers, or from, how we say, from the leather. And this month I also want to create some new bezels or maybe earrings for dolls, anything. So this doll you can see in my website. If you would like, you can buy. And nowadays we started to send packages to USA, to America. Before 3 months we had a problem with fees, but now everything is okay. So this on the side. First of all, in tutorial you will find this dress, like shirt, but dress, pockets. You will need maybe denim, maybe any cotton fabric, leather pieces, just if you would like. I have one more in another color, I also will show you. Buttons like that. So let's start to wear. This tutorial you will have, in this tutorial, dress, cap and shoes. And tutorial has 152 photos. Yes, I made a lot of. I always make like this to prevent any questions, because before I sold my tutorials on Etsy, and of course people could write me some questions, but I think it's not good. You should take tutorial and make it without any problems. So on my Instagram you can find, one moment, first of all shoot this in the middle. Yes, like that. You can find a lot of reviews about outfits, about Instagram, about my patterns. I made screenshot from my Etsy before. so you can find. I had 3 shops on Etsy. 2 shops was with outfits, and one with some hair. I colored that and also sold, and leather also, and denim, like that. Okay, cap. This view from the front, like that. Of course, you can make different decorations as you wish. When we will wear this doll, I will bring another outfit, also will show you. And everything must be matched. Also show you shoes, like that. So, you see, I used this leather piece, then same put on the back, and same make decoration on the shoes. Then I use like this leather piece, this one, this same, and here is also same. Everything must be matched, then it will be beautiful. And of course, color, you should see which color is more beautiful for your dolls. Oh, this light blue color, so much beautiful, I think, for all dolls. So this shoes making is very simple. I made this design for girls, for maybe not just for girls, for people, yes, we can say. For what happened here, for people who just maybe never never made any footwear, but so much wants, and they don't know will it be interesting for them or not. So you can try on this simple design. And I have a lot of tutorials, but not in English. In English I have just, I think, boots for Paola Reina. I should see, because on Etsy I had, and on website some tutorials I didn't add, so I need to check. And in Russian I have a lot of tutorials, patterns for Paola Reina, for Mia Nina's Daniel, Götz 50 centimeters, Blythe Abitsu 11. And if it will be interesting for people in English, I can create, of course. I can translate maybe previous master classes, maybe make new tutorials, no problem. But you can try on this kind of shoes, because they are so much simple. For example, now I make new tutorial. This it will be for Mia Nines Daniel, 30 centimeters. I'll show you the doll. This doll I also make custom, and here changed like this. She's so much funny. So this is Mia Nines Daniel, and for her I made this before I made, for example, this kind of shoes, and now this. You see, they are so much funny. This 3D sole, and one moment, it's difficult little bit to wear because we wear without socks, but shoes mustn't fall down. So one moment, yes, like that. You see, it will not fall down. This a little bit bigger, but this shoes we wear, this kind of shoes we wear with socks, and this without. And for these shoes I made this bag, and now I start to create a tutorial, but in Russian. Maybe after some time we'll create in English. Oh, I don't know people need it or not. You know why I have problem? I'll show you where I put. Yes, for making shoes we need blocks like that, and this is problem because I don't know people can buy it. Do you have in America like these blocks or not? Or maybe I should sell on my website, but I also in my country not blocks like that. I bought it from Russia. I don't know which city from the Russia, and for selling this in my website I also should buy 10 blocks, maybe more. And if people will not need, then what I will do with these blocks? That's why this problem. So you can see some my videos. I also will show you some boots, and maybe I should show all. I have like box with all shoes and bags and hats with tutorials from the leather, and maybe I should show you and ask questions, do you need or not. Then maybe should buy blocks also for you. Okay, we will see in the future. So that's why this outfit, if you want to sew, you can come in my website. I will try to put a link, not just website, but this listing also for easy to find. So come, please subscribe. I will be so much happy, my dear friends. My website is like my son or daughter, really, like my child. I told you that I was so much worried when my Etsy stores was closed. I so much liked that shop, and people who came to me and discussing with them. There are so many was good people, and I lost everything. And now I hope that I will find new friends who will like my own website, and nobody will close it in the future, really, friends. No, I hope you understand, because every time we have some problems with our business, with our some work, with any problems, but we should solve it. We should stand and go in the front. If you fall down, you should stand again and start to go. Okay, I will now try to find another outfit. I made little bit different design, also interesting, and I want to show you. I found, so okay, a little bit move the doll. So these shoes, cap, and the dress. So which difference here is I made stitches and thermo transfer picture. So you put it and press above by oh my gosh, I forget. Iron. Simple words I forget, guys. Iron, I think. Yes, but really sometimes I forget words in Russian. It also sometimes happen, guys. So okay, so this design so also beautiful, I think. So you can create anything, just it must be matched like that. So if you like my creations, you can come. Oh, I can show you. Where is my iPad? A little bit show you. One moment. Так. 1 second. Yeah. Так. I will find. Так. Oh. Так. Here is Mahot. Where is Mahot? And here is all my patterns, which I add to my website. And this number 33, it is summer walk. And this is instruction. So it looks like that. Mahot shirt dress. A little bit I show you. Light should remove. What should we put under? Okay, like this. And first of all, I write what you will need for the work with pictures, and then start creation. Start tutorial step by step. So quickly I show you. You see a lot of photos. So my dear friends, you really will not have any problems with making this outfit. You can try. It is not so much expensive. So I will add the link of my Instagram. Please subscribe. Maybe you will see some interesting. Yes, we just started, but we will add some more photos and videos there. And subscribe to my website. There are so many interesting things. No, I think, yes. So, and with like sewing outfits and like crochet, this for example, this crochet, and some matched also with sewing and knitting combined. So this is new, this not in on website, just I start to create also new tutorial. It will be maybe at the end of November, maybe on December, this outfit will be. So some outfits all knitted, so different shapes you can find on my website, and dolls also, and collections. And I have big box with just shoes and bags. We didn't add, so but I hope in the future we will add just shoes also. You will be able to buy not full outfit, and just shoes, boots, any footwear and bags for your lovely dolls. Okay, friends, see you in the future in new videos. If you like this video, please subscribe, put likes, and write comments. I so much like to read. Okay, guys, bye bye, see you.